think the best takeaway from this class is the, what do you call this?
Passive guide.
Passive guide. The passive guide, because it gives people the impression that I'm just like asking what's going on, but actually I'm protecting myself. So I think this is the best takeaway for me. Thank you.
Okay, the best takeaway for me is the point to focus on to prevent any blows, which is between the chest.
The best takeaway for me is learn how to protect myself and also share what I learned with my loved ones.
It's a good way for you to protect yourself in a very natural way and with minimal amount of force.
This class was very good for me to protect myself, also my family. So it was so good. Thank you.
Best way to protect myself is take a distance to the enemy. I want to run my kids. Thank you.